Florida couple finds 80,000 nice bees in their home's shower wall amid bathroom renovation, removing the insects, and the 100 pounds of honey found with them took more than 5 hours and came at the cost of $800, which was not covered by insurance. How many? So their wall is full of honey?
Yes. So a couple actually owned this house and realized that there were like bees making a hive in there. And they were just like, okay, we're just going to let you do you.
Whoa.
And then it was only when they wanted to renovate their bathroom is when they're like, okay, we're going to kick you out, the bees.
Wow.
But, I'm guessing this would be maybe months to years for this beehive to be as big as it is.
Yeah, it's like the entire height of the shower.
So it's 7 foot long.
Right.
And this TikTok video, I think the bee wrangler, I don't know who you call them, but she took down the walls and
I think they're called beekeepers.
Beekeepers.
But I like wrangler better. Get in there and wrangle those bees.
Yeah, with rope. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I mean, that's it. You got to be careful, right? In that situation. That's
for sure.
A lot of bee horsepower in there. You got thousands upon thousands of bees.
But they kept the walls warm. And apparently, when they're huddled together like that, they produce a lot of heat. Hopefully they can
heated bee walls and floors in
the bathroom.
In your bathroom.
That wouldn't be too bad.
No. I tend to think there's going to be some downsides. Well, obviously. So were they able to extract the bees and move them? Or did they have to wipe them out?
Hopefully in this TikTok video, if it plays, she extracted it. She kind of kept it intact.
Wow.
And she's just going to keep it. Hopefully she can share some honey. And it's 100 pounds of honey.
Look at the honeycomb. Oh my God.
And apparently the noise didn't really bother them as well.
Oh, so obviously the bees were getting in and out through a wall on the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jeez.
But apparently this is obviously damaging as well. It could damage the drywall.
Oh yeah, there's more. They're creating moisture, right? There's all kinds of problems.
And when they're creating honey, I think the ants would notice and would come up there as well. So that would be a problem.
Yeah, you got to get them out of there, Will. It's not cute. At a certain point, you got to get them out of there, Will.
Yeah, they don't belong in.
No, you can't have
houses.
You got to set them up somewhere else or something.